Hey guys, this is Dave from MortgageGuy.com, and I've been studying AI and ChatGPT, and I wanted to find out, could AI replace loan officers? Before I dig into this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with more videos like this. So, as a loan officer, could AI take my job? This is concerning for me as I've got to put food on the table for my 2 kids and my wife. And I plan on retiring someday, so I'm hoping this is not the case. So, I want to go right to the source, okay? Now, I went to the source and asked them, could it replace a loan officer? Which I'm going to get to at the end of this video. But I also want to ask is how ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, thought that AI could change the mortgage industry. And these are literally the answers that spit out, and I want to go over them with you. Number 1, automated underwriting. Hey, newsflash, we already have that. Every single loan that gets pre-approved has to have an automated loan approval along within the underwriting process. So that data and that AI is already going on right now. Could there be changes to it in the future? For sure, but that's already here and here to stay. Fraud detection. Again, there's things in place to monitor this. So from a file-to-file standpoint, that's already in place. AI may help tweak it, but those systems are already here. Risk assessment. From a big loan standpoint or big loan process and industry standpoint, addressing risk. Are these loans riskier or less riskier than others? That data is already being looked at. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac already monitor this in order to make changes based on performances, right? Customer service. Yes, but I don't know if any of us are going to be overly excited about it. You, for the most part, don't know who you're talking to right now. So AI could be offering some type of customer service on websites for those little chat boxes, which my understanding is already in place in some regard. Predictive analytics, looking at housing data and market trends to adjust to the industry moving forward, right? This is going to be extremely important, possibly to help loan officers with marketing, right? Their database, knowing when they should be ready to buy their next house and where and how much and how often. So this is an interesting topic that this AI could help us with. And document management, the collecting of documents. There's a lot of systems now where you can verify the income and the employment automatically through like what's called a work number, bank account information. So there's a lot of things already in the loan process that have this AI component to it. So those are things that the AI ChatGPT could help the mortgage industry with. Let's go back to the bigger question. Could AI replace me? And honestly, they gave a long answer, but here's what I'm going to tell you. It can't. There's too many factors that go into being a loan officer and a mortgage to know for sure, okay, that it could be automated. Structuring a deal, the personal part of it, talking to clients, right? Going through scenarios and what ifs, right? Knowing where you can get an exception on a file or closing a file that maybe doesn't meet the guidelines, but is something that an underwriter would approve. Just like automated underwriting is not going to replace underwriters, because you still need a person to be reviewing these documents and confirming to be safe. From a loan officer standpoint, it's not. Structuring a difficult file is a skill set that a good loan officer would have. That's not going to get replaced by AI. Okay? So I would like to say, at least for the foreseeable future, my job is safe. If you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender, and stick around for this next video. I think you're going to like it. Thanks, guys.